Moving to my channel, FB. Gorgeous girls ready to learn how to look amazing and feel even better without using any makeup in 2024. Well, you're in for a treat because we've got some super easy tips coming your way. But first, let me hit you with a hook that's gonna make you want to stick around. You know how sometimes makeup feels like a lot? Well, what if I told you that you can be super attractive and even prettier without it? Yup, you heard me right. So, buckle up because we're about to dive into some simple tricks that will have you shining with confidence, all natural style. Let's talk confidence, my friends. Imagine strutting through life like you own it, because guess what? You do. Confidence is like a magic key that unlocks a door to looking super charming. It's not just about walking. It's about owning your space and claiming it with confidence. Number 2. Your posture matters, and it's easier than you think. Stand tall, keep that head up, and you're already on your way to looking more fabulous. Good posture is like a silent superhero, cape that tells the world you're a rock star. Tip number 3. Now, who doesn't love a bright smile? Your pearly whites are a secret weapon. Trust me. Flash that smile, spread good vibes, and watch how the world becomes your fan. It's like sending out a signal of sunshine, and who doesn't love sunshine? Tip number 8. Let's keep it real with a home workout routine. It's not about the size. It's about feeling great in your skin. A little exercise boosts confidence and makes you feel awesome. Now, personal care is a must-do. Brush those teeth, wash that hair, and keep yourself feeling fresh. Good hygiene is like your personal magic wand for looking and feeling good. And tip number 6. Embrace your quirks. You know, those things that make you uniquely you. Whether it's a goofy laugh or an obsession with cat memes, celebrate it. Your individuality is what makes life spicy. Got skin issues? Ice to the rescue. Cleanse, ice, moisturize, repeat. You'll see instant results, and your skin will thank you. Tip number 8. Listening is golden. Connect with people. Really listen, and you'll draw others in like a magnet. It's like building your charm squad. Water is your best friend. Drink up for better skin, weight loss, and an overall healthy you. Hydration is like your beauty secret weapon. Tip number 10. Dress for yourself. Wear what makes you feel amazing. Your fashion choices tell your story, so let them be bold and beautiful. And tip them. Accessories are like the cherry on top. Try necklaces, earrings, rings, and bracelets to jazz up your look. It's the little things that make a big difference. And tip number 12. Laugh it off. Find humor in life, share jokes, and let your laughter shine. A good laugh is like a magic spell that lights up any room. Tip number 13. Care is self-care. Brush regularly, deep condition weekly, and try new hairstyles. Your hair is your crown. Wear it proudly. Tip number 14. Eyebrows frame your face. Keep them groomed and shaped. Well-groomed eyebrows are like a spotlight on your beautiful face. Be a cheerleader. Spread love and positivity. Your supportive energy is like a charm tornado, leaving a trail of happy hearts. And tip number. Stay positive. Be the rainbow. Positivity is your charm shield against negativity. Look for the bright side and let your optimism shine. Number 17. Pursue what makes your heart happy. Passion is magnetic. Dive into what you love and let your excitement draw others in. Tip number 18. Stress relief is a must. Try simple things like deep breathing or journaling. Healthy coping mechanisms keep you looking and feeling good. Set 10. Love yourself. No holding back. You are awesome, and when you love yourself, you radiate a magnetic charm that everyone notices. Isker and ID Twan. Your turn. Drop your beauty secrets in the comments. We're all in this together, and remember, you're amazing just the way you are. Alright, beautiful people. That's a wrap for our guide on looking attractive without makeup in 2024. You're incredible, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, take care, and keep shining.